Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LiveChat widget if it's not showing. All right, it could be on your specific website. Okay, so first up, you need to ensure that it is enabled in your LiveChat settings. Okay, go ahead over to availability right here and make sure that it is set to always. Okay, it says here customers can send messages even if you're away, because LiveChat right here doesn't work or doesn't pop up if there are no available agents. Okay, you basically need to check for logged in agents, as the widget will not display if there are no agents logged in and available to chat. All right, next up, go ahead and check for extensions or pop-up blockers, or even browser specific settings that might be blocking your widget. Okay, so first up, if you're using a browser that got ad blocker, just like Brave right here, make sure that the ad block or shield is turned off. Okay, also, if you have extensions that got maybe like an ad blocker, make sure that you click on three dots and just disable it for now or remove it completely. Okay, and also you may want to try another browser. As you can see here, I'm running Brave. If it's not working under Brave, I'm going to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Okay, and it should work now. Now, if you only want to use one browser, just make sure to reset the browser settings right here. Okay, to its default. That should work. Now, another one, make sure under a website widget right here, settings, website widget, customization, make sure that you type down the correct website address. Okay. Once that's done, you can go ahead and test it out by just clicking on this button. Another one, let's say you're working with Squarespace. Okay. You may want to delete that specific block or element and then re-add the code again. Okay. And just basically go to channels right here, install LiveChat, and then make sure to copy the code right here. Or you have the option to connect it via WordPress right here, or click show more options. Just like what I've said earlier, Squarespace, click on it and you can go ahead and check the install guide, or you just basically click on connect right here. Also, you have the widget position. Okay, under customization right here, going back, make sure under position, it is set to always visible. Okay. Make sure that it is not set to either of these two, like hide widget or always hide minimized. Okay, that's basically it. And lastly, you might want to play around with a dark mode and a light mode under your browser settings. Just basically go to settings right here. If you're currently in dark mode, you might want to change it to a light mode. Okay, appearance right here, we have a theme, either select light or dark. All right, and there you have it. Those are the fixes if your LiveChat widget is not showing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.